We're all gathered here to rebuild and rethink the bread oven that has been serving the community for the last year and a half. It's a really remarkable project and we're really super privileged to be part of it.
This is a strong service and by the way.
It is very strong and the shape is so strong, right?
Well, we're going to tear down the oven today as part of the community workshop here.
Have we got some anything yet? Yeah, it's just like... Yeah, that was coming.
Oh my God. That's like a big house.
Someone eco-development contractors, I think, or it's a collaborative effort between... I'll take that.
Okay, hey, all right, everyone. That was a fantastic day. Thanks again, everyone, for coming. When we came on site this morning from yesterday, we had taken down the original cob oven, and we were left with just the base, which was a round of stone filled with sand and crusher dust.
The anatomy of this bread oven is very interesting. It's a very robust, strong system. We've got fire brick on the inside, and I've created a fire brick vault. And then over here, you see the back side of the oven. This is clay-rich soil mixed with some sand, and then we've packed it to about 5 inches deep. So we've taken lots and lots of straw and we've coated it with a clay slip.
Now we know.
I was just following instructions.